Okay, hello. What we're going to be doing today is we are going to be installing a 10S Sena communication system into my new helmet, Simpson modular type of a helmet, right? And that's actually it's going to be very simple. So I have already taken this apart from my old helmet. And I used it, and then you have the two speakers, the boom mic, the Sena, which is right here, and you also have the little tiny Allen key. We're going to need this. Also, what we're going to need, since I'm reusing this equipment, is we're going to have an isopropanol to clean the helmet inside so everything sticks well. Pair of scissors, a little bit of a cotton swabs, and I have purchased sticky Velcro in a local shop up here, and this cost me like maybe $6 or something like that for whole thing. Okay, so basically the way that you want to do it, you got to have a quick look at your helmet, right? You can invert it, right? We're gonna open the helmet up, okay? And next thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna be removing the cheek pads, right? So it's very simple. All you got to do is just pull it out like this, and there's like two snap-ons on this side. One, two, and there's one snap-on on this side right here. Three. Okay, and just comes out. Also, when you take this apart, you can see it that you have indentations right here for your speaker and all the wires. Okay, okay. So now we're gonna go and take the second cheek pad out. Same thing. Just pull it right out and unclip it. One, two, and three, and it just comes out. I'm just gonna put it right over here. So again, on this side, I don't know if you will be able to see it, but here we have a space for the speaker, and we also have a space for the boom mic, which is when you look at the helmet, it's on the left-hand side. Okay. So first thing that we want to do, okay, I'm just going to go and quickly disconnect these guys, right? First thing that we want to do, we want to install the main holder on your helmet, and again, this is going to go on the left-hand side. Bolts, right? They're nice and loose, and what do you got to do? You have to fit it in here like this, and it fits in there like that. So there you go, and then you can position it however you want, right? So right now, just fit it in here, and next, what we're going to do, just going to tighten up the two bolts. Okay. Okay. This is actually going fairly easy. Okay. And they are fairly tight. Okay, good. Okay, so I have my wires. So the long wire is going to go to my right ear. The red wire is for my boom mic, and the shorter wire is from for my left ear. Okay. Now, before we start installing all this stuff, now we have to clean it with the isopropanol. Okay. Here I got my little pad. And what we want to do is we just want to clean it right in here, where we're going to stick the Velcro and where the boom mic is going to be. Okay, that one's good. I'm going to do it right here. Okay, that's good for now, and I'm going to take the clean one. Make sure everything is nice and clean, and there's no oil. Okay, good. So next, what I want to do is I'm going to use my handy dandy Velcro, and I'm going to cut it to size so it fits right inside here. So I'm just gonna go and place it like right here somewhere. Okay, cut it. Okay, nice little square. Okay, and we're just gonna go and start trimming this so it fits, and they're actually pretty good. Pretty much it's gonna be a custom fit. Okay, let's see how this fits. Almost. Okay. Okay. Oh, a little bit more. Okay, good. Oh yeah, and now you can see it, this fits actually pretty good. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a template right here for my second one. That way we are not wasting a lot of time, okay? Like this. Okay, there. Okay, and one more piece. This should be good to go. And let's just check. Oh yeah, this is good fit. And let's see about this side. And it's perfect fit. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, since this is all nice and clean, what we're gonna do is we're gonna stick this in there, right inside here. So let's undo this. Oh yeah. And as you can see right here, it's already in. So now I'm gonna do this side. So okay, very good. Okay, so now also what I want to do is I want to make a Velcro right up here for the boom mic. So let me just see here. How is this going to be? Oh, just got to trim it a little bit. Okay, I'm happy with this. Okay. Okay, good to go. So now we are going to be in process of installing the communication system. The hard part is done. Okay. So first what we want to do, we just want to run the long cable first, right here. We're going to untwist all this stuff right here, like this, and just put it inside the helmet right here and just hide the cable. Okay, like this, okay. Then we're going to take one of our speakers, put them on, and now we're going to just install them right here. And this is where the cable is going to be running, right here. So, okay, this one's good. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hide the cable right inside here. There's enough room in here to hide that entire cable. Just like this. Okay. And right now what we can do is we can take our cheek pad and just install this right in. And just like you can see, it's 1, 2, and 3 snaps, and then you have 1, 2, and 3. You just have to align all this, and you're gonna be good to go. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm just aligning all this, and we're gonna hear a distinct click once it goes in. Okay, come on. Okay, 1, 2, then where's the other one? And and 3. Okay, so the cable is right here. Now we're just going to tuck everything in nice and neat. Okay, let's go this way, that way. Okay. Okay. Okay, good to go. So this side is already done. Next, what we're going to do, we're going to insert the secondary mic, or the secondary speaker. Just going to put it right here. And again, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it right here where it's visible. Like this. Okay, this is good stuff. And tuck the wires right in here. Okay. This is where they need to go. Now the last thing is we have the boom mic. We're just gonna insert this guy right in here. Okay, and there's a channel down here that this will fit into. So what you want to do, you want to fit this in first. I'm just going to move the speaker one more time out. Okay. Okay, and just click right in that. Then what we're going to do is we're just going to move this around and put it on the Velcro. Like this. This is where it's inserted. Now we can put our speaker right beside it. Okay, and this is all good. So now we have a little bit of wires, excess wires, but we can tuck them in nice and neat in here. Here we go. So the last thing that we got to do is just take the cheek pad, put it back in, make sure it snaps. Okay. Snaps in here, okay, and last one, come on, okay, there we go. So now what we're going to do, we're going to start putting everything in so the wires are not exposed, okay, like this. This can stay like that. Okay. Okay, so this is good. This is good. Basically, this is what it looks like. So last thing that we got to do is we're just going to put the Sena back in here, and we're going to turn it on. Hello. Okay. Okay. So everything is connected. Everything is working extremely well, right? The boom mic, you want it right up here. That way you can open and close the helmet and it doesn't interfere with anything. And right now the Sena is installed. It was a very quick and simple way of installing a Sena 10S onto your Simpson helmet. And if you liked the video, please subscribe and give me a like if it helped you out. Thank you very much.